Are you looking to purchase T-Mobile phones conveniently? In this tutorial, I'll show you a simple strategy to cart T-Mobile phones to your drop address using fulls. Let's dive in. To start, ensure you have the right tools. You'll need fulls with these details: a driver's license number, an address, and a Google Voice number. You can also use the client's phone number by altering the last 3 digits. Be sure to buy a card with a BIN like 440,066 or 533,248. Furthermore, connect through a SOC 5 or VPN. Run a background check to confirm the profile has no T-Mobile carrier. Finally, create an email in the prospect's name. First, connect your SOC 5 or VPN to the relevant zip or state. Then, visit the T-Mobile website. Click on Contact and Support, and open the chat. Type, "Please, I need you to help me place an order on your website." When prompted, select, "I'm not yet a customer." This will direct you to an agent for assistance. Reiterate your request. "Please, I need you to help me place an order on your website." Once they respond, confirm by typing, "Yes." When prompted for your zip, provide the full zip. The agent will inquire about your current carrier. If your background check shows none, say, "I don't have any." If they ask if you have questions, respond with no. They will give you a form for your fulls details. Input the profile information and the Google Voice number. If the address from the fulls matches the pro's zip, use your drop address throughout. Next, fill out the driver's license information, including the number, expiration date, date of birth, and SSN. Create a PIN for your carrier and submit your information. Authorize T-Mobile to use your details to locate pre-selected offers. Affirm by typing, "Yes." When they ask for payment details, enter the card you purchased with the same zip. If the card is active, you should receive a thank you email. In summary, remember this method revolves around obtaining fulls tied to a zip. Engage the chat agent and let them guide you through placing an order. Make sure to maintain consistency with the addresses used throughout the process. Ready to get started? Follow these steps today and successfully cart your T-Mobile phones.